Okay, let's unbox Belle Tress Saint in the color Cool Champagne Blonde. Alright, let's do an unboxing of this style from Belle Tress. This is part of the Luxe collection. This is Saint, heat friendly, and this color is Cool Champagne Blonde. This wig was provided to me by Wig Studio One. I will have a link in the drop down box, so just go there to the drop down box below this video and there will be a link to Wig Studio One. Also, if you have any questions for them, please don't hesitate to reach out to them at support@wigstudio1.com, and you can also live chat with them during normal business hours on the wigstudio1.com website. Okay, look at this beautiful wig. Wow, that is so pretty. I have not seen this color, I don't believe. Cool Champagne Blonde. I think this is the first time I've reviewed this color, so I'm excited to show it to you. So I believe this is available in around 12 shades. Of course, these are heat-friendly fibers, like I said, part of the Luxe collection. Wow, this is a beautiful color. I just want to show you this. Look at all that dimension. Lots of dimension in this. Now, of course, this has their extended lace front and mono top, hand-tied cap, has the polyurethane, the silicone at the ear tabs. Now, the lace front goes all the way down into the ear tabs, if you're familiar with this Luxe collection. Now, I will say this is a partial hand-tied cap, and the reason I say that, do you see about that 3 rows of wefting right there at the bottom? Now that gives structure, holds the structure of this wig, but I just want to show you that it has this little tiny extended nape, pull adjusters. Just want you to get a good look at this beautiful cap. They did a gorgeous job with this Luxe collection, in my opinion. Really, really pretty. All right, now let's try this on. Okay guys, I'm going to take off this tag because it's just easier for me to show you the wig without the tag on it. It won't get in the way, so I'm just going to take that off and then we'll try this on and see what kind of fit we have here. It's a little large on me. I want to pull it in just a little. I have a 21¼ inch head circumference, and I'm just going to pull these in a little on both sides just to get a little bit of a tighter fit. Yeah, that's better. Much better. Oh wow, what I like the waves in this. Wow, right out of the box. That is very pretty. Lots of waves. Not curly, just wavy. Bob style. Lots of movement here. I can tell that already. I am going to take out this crisscross part. Kind of show you how this looks. Oh, this is really very pretty. Very pretty. I love this color. I have not seen this color before. So let's talk about this Cool Champagne Blonde. I'm going to show it to you in some outdoor lighting later on in the video, but let's just talk about it here up close. So a medium ash blonde. This is a non-rooted shade, as you can see. But it is so dimensional. Medium ash blonde, champagne blonde, cream soda blonde, cool blonde, and with platinum highlights. I mean, it's got it all. I love the darker blondes that are running through here. I think that's what's really giving it that dimension. And then you get that pop of these platinum highlights running through here. It's very layered. I can see the shorter layers here on the top. Now the specs of this, or the sides of this, are 10 inches and the nape is 5, Belle Tress is saying on this one. It weighs 3.4 ounces, and they're saying the overall length of this is around 12 inches. Of course, there's no permatease or anything going on here because this, like we said, is a fully hand-tied cap. Wow, so pretty. Love that. I'm going to spray it with a little water just to separate my fibers, because that's just what I do when I get a new wig. I like to put my hands all the way to the cap and pull the fibers away from the cap. If you will do that, you will create movement, loosen them up, give them some life, pull them away from that cap. And just by spraying this little bit of water on it, you can see I can kind of separate it and really just lighten that up so that you feel like you get more movement that way, and you separate the fibers too. It's good for flyaways as well. I don't really feel like this wig has any flyaways. It's not falling in my face. It's already contoured. I really like this wig. I think this color is beautiful. I think this style is pretty. I'd love to see this in a red. I'm just going to change the parting. Now, you'll have to work with it a little bit if you want your part to be on the other side, of course. You know, you always have to work because they come parted one way. But if you can change the part, because this is a mono top, you can definitely change the part. Use the warmth of your hands to always, you can push down on that, change that parting around a little bit. Use some steam on it if you want. These are heat-friendly fibers. You can straighten this. This might be really pretty board straight. Now, again, check with the manufacturer's website or get in touch with us at support@wigstudio1.com. They can tell you all about what heat temperatures to use for these Belle Tress styles. Everything you need to know. They're more than happy to help you. And again, you can live chat with them. And also, if you haven't joined us in our private Facebook group, please do. Wig Studio One Wig and Topper Support Group. We have Sell It Sunday once a month there now. You can sell and buy your gently used wigs and toppers. We're always having live broadcast. We have lots of stuff going on in there. And usually that's the first place to know if we're going to have some sales and things. Be sure to join us in that private Facebook group. All right, let's see how this looks with a headband. You definitely can wear it with a headband. Tuck it behind your ears. That way, I'm going to pull it completely off my face. Just want to see how this looks. I think this is going to be so pretty because of the dimension in this color. So nice. Pull out just a little around the face where you won't see your bio hair if you have that coverage there. So you can just pull that out around the face. Also be pretty to pull this completely off the face, I think. Lots you can do. This has a nice length to it. It's not too long. It's not too short. I think you can do a lot of styling with this wig due to that fact. Again, I like that this does not fall in my face. It is really beautifully contoured right out of the box. Let's look at this in some outdoor lighting. Thanks for joining me today and having a look at Saint by Belle Tress in the color Cool Champagne Blonde. Please like and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you next time.